What's up, guys? Don't I don't know. I had to turn the lamp on. It's kind of dark, but I didn't destroy it because I still have a little piece. But pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah. My mom's right there. She doesn't want to be on camera right now. Look, but I destroyed my dinner. It just got destroyed. What I had was a barbecue sandwich with some fries. Yeah, barbecue sandwich with some fries. And then I had some coleslaw with it. I'm eating then I had some coleslaw with it and ketchup. And whatever this stuff is that seeds at the bottom, you probably can't see it. If you live in North Carolina, you should get this place. I think they're all over the world, but I don't know. They're really good. They're really good. I don't know what it's called. They give you forks when I didn't need a fork. And then I'm drinking some lemon. I was gonna say lemonade. It's tea. But it's really good tea. It's cold tea, iced tea, half and half. Now I'm a farmer. Whatever. I just said that wrong. Oh, what you guys can taste it. Yeah, that's good. But today is a chill day. And I might be doing some gaming tonight. This is my second video I'm telling you guys because some of you guys do not be answering to my gaming and stuff like that. And you keep asking me, when are you going to do the gaming? When are you going to do the gaming? I'm going to do it when I feel I'm going to do it tonight, okay? Or tomorrow. Yeah, probably tonight or tomorrow. But right now, I want to beat Call of Duty Black Ops 2. I have not beat that game yet. So, I beat Call of Duty Ghosts and Call of Duty Black Ops 1. But not Call of Duty Black Ops 2. I did it out of order. And I'm getting Call of Duty Advanced Warfare for Xbox One. Please stay tuned for that. So, on Christmas. So, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Yeah. Peace. Mama love you. P.O.P. Hold it down. Barely.